How do watch expressions help with JavaScript debugging? Have you ever found yourself stuck trying to figure out why your JavaScript code isn't working as expected? Debugging can be tricky, especially when dealing with functions and asynchronous operations. One tool that can make this process easier is watch expressions. So, how do they help with JavaScript debugging? Watch expressions are a feature in debugging tools that allow you to specify JavaScript expressions to be evaluated automatically. Whenever the debugger pauses during code execution, these expressions are displayed. This means you can keep an eye on the values of variables or even more complex expressions in real time as you step through your code. Imagine you are debugging a function that processes user input. You can set a watch expression on the variable that holds that input. As you step through the code, you will see how that variable changes. This immediate visibility is essential for spotting bugs or unexpected behavior. At a basic level, watch expressions help you group variables or expressions of interest in one place. You do not have to inspect them manually over and over again. For example, you can watch a variable's value to see if it stays within expected limits. If it goes outside those limits, you will know something is wrong right away. This feature is particularly useful when dealing with asynchronous JavaScript. In asynchronous code, the state can change in ways that are subtle or hard to track. By using watch expressions, you can monitor specific values at critical points in your code. Adding watch expressions is simple. You go to the debugger's watch pane and type any valid JavaScript expression. Each time the debugger pauses, these expressions are reevaluated, showing their current value. You can even declare new variables or modify existing ones within watch expressions. However, be cautious, as changing values this way can affect how your code runs. Watch expressions work well alongside other debugging tools like breakpoints and the scope pane. They provide a customizable way to observe specific data points without cluttering your code with console logs. This can make the debugging process more efficient, especially when handling error management and asynchronous code flows. In summary, watch expressions streamline JavaScript debugging by providing a dynamic view of variables and expressions during code execution. They help developers quickly identify and fix issues within their functions and asynchronous operations. So, the next time you find yourself debugging, consider using watch expressions to make your life a little easier.